Hello world, this is Shiraj. Welcome to this channel. Here's the first video of Moodle LMS training for teachers. In this video, we will see how we can log into the Moodle. To access Moodle, you have to have a Moodle account. If you don't have Moodle account, you have to contact your site administrator of your Moodle at your organization. So let's get started. Here I'm opening my web browser. Then you can type the web address vle.scu.ac.lk. Here's a welcome page of Moodle, and here you have to give your username and password. If you don't know your password, or if you forgot your password, you can use this option, forgotten your username or password. Okay, we'll click on this one and let's see how we can deal with this. And once you click this, you will get this web page. To reset your password, submit your username or email address below. Then to reset the password, the system will ask you a username or the email address. If you don't know your username, then we can give your email address. I'm going to give my email address. Then you can give search. Then once you give this search, you will get a message. If you supplied a correct username or email address, then an email should have been sent to you. Then we will click continue. After that, you will receive this email. Admin user will open this email. A password reset was requested for your account shiraj.mm. Here I can see my username of my Moodle account. To confirm this request, set a new password for your account. Please go to the following web address. To reset your password, you have to click this link, okay, within this 30 minutes time bound. Then here we have the page to reset the password. Your password must have at least 8 characters, at least one digit, at least one lowercase, one uppercase, and one special characters like hash sign and at signs. Then we will give the password. Then you can re-enter the same password. Then you can give save changes. Now your password reset and you are logged in. Save password. I don't want to save the password, so we'll give never. Your password has been reset. Now you got the message. Now you know your username and password of your Moodle account. The next time you can give your username and password and you can log into the Moodle account. In the bottom you can see your courses that you have assigned. That's all of this video. In the next video we will see how we can manage our courses and other contents in Moodle sites. Thank you very much guys. We'll meet in another video.